It's a magical celebration.
Mickey and Minnie are getting ready for a historic moment.
Walt Disney, who will bring a new world of entertainment, pleasure, and economic development to the state of Florida.
Just a dream away.
Walt Disney World is celebrating 50 years of enchantment, imagination, and influence.
And we're taking a trip through time to relive what made the magic.
I believe we can build a community that more people will talk about and come to look at than any other area in the world.
It's the most visited theme park in the world, and it's marking an important milestone this year. Yeah, tonight we are inside the Magic Kingdom to look back on decades of magical memories. Talk about change. All of this used to be a vast plain of swampland. Literally right here. Yes. Right? So, Sharon, you've got to check out, though, this next story that we found. It really gives us a look into the very beginnings of the land where, again, we are standing. You're looking at some old school exclusive stuff. Disney renderings from their park in Europe in '92. This guy, Bill Coan, he has them. He was a design manager for Euro Disney, becoming Disneyland Paris. Bill started his Disney career well before that, back in '79, as a landscape architect and planner working on Epcot Center. So as you look at this, he's the guy putting in the pavement, basically managing the layout.
And so whenever we would finish off an area, I'd find a little corner that nobody saw and put my initials and a date in it. So there's several parks that have that.
Looking at this retro bird's eye view, check out the trees.
I would snatch one of the trees out of the plan and put it in our house if it was an evergreen tree, put it in our house for Christmas, leaving it in the pot, and eventually after Christmas take it out and plant it in the park.
Bill is now in charge of ITEC Entertainment, which builds attractions everywhere.
Oh, look at that.
A former Gator athlete and a guy that has a collection of stuff that none of us has.
This is the mess that happens when you've been working in the entertainment industry for 30 years. It started with a bang, didn't it?
So in every office Bill has ever had, Mr. Walt Disney literally still looks over his shoulder.
Famous photograph of Walt with Mickey as the silhouette in the background, and that's the one thing that I've kept from the very first days I was there at Disney.